Welcome to the Furious Vibe, where we bring you the most thrilling innovations in luxury vehicles. Today, we're looking at something truly special of the 2025 Bentley Motorhome. Bentley has taken their signature craftsmanship, cutting-edge technology, and ultimate comfort to create a motorhome that redefines travel. This isn't just an RV, it's a rolling masterpiece of elegance and performance. The exterior is sleek and bold, featuring Bentley's signature grille, aerodynamic curves, and high-end materials like carbon fiber and polished aluminium. LED lighting and a panoramic windshield give it a futuristic yet classic look, ensuring that this motorhome turns heads wherever it goes. Inside, the level of luxury is unmatched. The lounge features hand-stitched leather seats, wood paneling, and customizable ambient lighting. A retractable entertainment system and a panoramic sunroof enhance the experience. The kitchen is fully equipped with premium appliances, quartz countertops, an induction cooktop, and even a wine chiller. Every detail is designed for elegance and convenience. The bedroom is a sanctuary with a king-size memory foam bed, silk blend linens, and a smart climate control system. Floor-to-ceiling windows offer breathtaking views, and hidden storage solutions keep everything organized. The bathroom rivals five-star hotels, with a rainfall shower, marble finishes, a smart mirror, and heated flooring, making every journey feel like a luxury retreat. Advanced technology makes this motorhome truly cutting edge. Bentley's smart system controls lighting, temperature, security, and entertainment through voice commands or a touchscreen panel. A high-speed satellite internet connection ensures seamless connectivity, while autonomous driving features, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera system make maneuvering effortless. Powering this beast is a hybrid engine that blends a high-torque electric motor with a refined V8, delivering smooth acceleration and an extended range. The adaptive air suspension ensures a silky ride on any terrain, while fast charging capabilities keep you on the move. This is a motorhome built for long, luxurious journeys without compromise. Bentley has redefined travel by combining performance, comfort, and high-end innovation. Whether you're cruising along scenic roads or parked at an exclusive retreat, this motorhome ensures you do it in the most stylish way possible. That wraps up our look at the 2025 Bentley Motorhome. If you love luxury vehicles and cutting-edge travel, subscribe to the Furious Vibe for more incredible content. Would you take this Bentley on a road trip? Let us know in the comments, and we'll see you in the next video.